Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, I thought it would be very smart of me to make a video. There's a lot of people that are having issues with the same like 5 things. So I thought I would make a video just talking about errors that are happening right now and just easy fixes in the Walgreens app or when you're shopping over at Walgreens, like issues that shoppers are having. So the first one is about 2 weeks ago, Walgreens in their infinite wisdom did an app update. And with the app update, a lot of people can't seem to put in a curbside order. They're getting error messages and so on and so forth. And when that's happening, what I recommend is to go to the App Store, download the latest app update. Perhaps if that's not working, log out of the app, log back in, or possibly turn your phone off and then turn it back on. Maybe there's a glitch in the app and that's why it's not working. Alternatively, you could always go to a desktop computer like a laptop and put your order in. That always seems to work. But a lot of people with this latest app update, they have to go to the App Store, and that seems to be working to get the latest version. The second thing is if you go shopping first thing on Sunday morning and you are in a larger city such as Cleveland, Ohio, for example, and the items are ringing up for a weird cost, like 2 shampoos should be 2 for $8, but they're both ringing up for $9.59 each, full price. What's going on? Oh my gosh. First thing is you should always be looking at the tags of what you're picking up in the store. And if you are shopping first thing on a Sunday morning at a 24-hour market store, sometimes the system has yet to update. So what I would recommend is just to cancel your order and then to go back later. And then sometimes even here, things don't ring up properly on Sunday morning. It's just part of how things work over there. And it's just shopping on Sunday morning. Sometimes things don't go your way or register rewards don't print. But just to keep a cool head and go back later. And especially if things are not ringing up properly, you got to pay attention. Possibly your register rewards may not print too. So that's a good sign just to say, okay, I'll cancel. I'll come back later. Now, a lot of you, like me, love the curbside deals, and sometimes you will go pick up your order and then you'll realize, oh my gosh, I was supposed to have 2 Dove shampoos, and oh my gosh, they put a Dove shampoo and a Walgreens branded shampoo that looks similar, but it's not the same, and now my digital coupon didn't come off, and I didn't get my $5 in Walgreens cash for this transaction, and oh my gosh. What you do, this is an easy one. Either do the chat with the Walgreens rep or call their customer service line, and they will credit you the portion of the digital coupon that didn't come off if it's $2.50, and they will credit you the full amount. As the store was low in inventory, when you put in the order, they said it was there, but it wasn't fulfilled properly. They will assume the error and just give you a credit for that. You don't have to return everything. Just if there's an issue with that when you pick it up, just know that customer service has your back in this. Even when I've had digital coupons in the past disappear, when I've done curbside orders, they've always credited me the balance. Now with Ibata, this is a weird one. Ibata has recently changed the games where you can't use manufacturer coupons at Walmart and Dollar General. Those two hard and fast rule, no. And now it's kind of trickling in slowly into Walgreens. Now, here's what I'm hearing from a lot of you. You did a transaction over at Walgreens. You saw something too good to be true on TikTok or whatever the app is. And the rebate fine print said, look at the bottom line. This is for Pantene. It can't be combined with a coupon of the same product. You're using a coupon with the same product and still making these applications for rebates at Walgreens with Ibata, and then your account gets deactivated, and no matter how many times you try to get in touch with customer service, they're not indulging it, and they have your $60 or whatever it is. It's confusing because some other rebates, you can use coupons, some you cannot. I will never show on this channel again deals that have that verbiage that say you can't use coupons because too many of you are getting your accounts shut down. So you have to read the fine print. I mean, it's just a thing to say, but you really got to read the fine print. They're not playing. They're not messing around. And they have the most sophisticated software of all the apps. that any indiscretion they can pick up. So if you might see a deal too good to be true on Facebook, TikTok, whatever, read the fine print, do your own due diligence. Final thing, guys, is to really have a good sense of humor. So for example, things don't work out for you first thing on Sunday morning over at Walgreens. We've all been there. Have a sense of humor and say, you know what? $140 for this transaction is a bit too much. I will come back at a later time. It's your job to pay attention to the numbers. It's your job to pay attention to the tags. If things aren't ringing up or not going a certain way, or the system isn't printing out the register rewards and the one manager just isn't on the floor, have a sense of humor about it. I will come back later. And it really goes a long way with the staff. I mean, if you wanted to jump around and start screaming, that's your option to do that as well. But if you're seeing the same employees week after week, if you spread a bit of kindness, have a bit of sense of humor about these things when they don't work out, just to say, hey, I'll come back, it really goes a long way. Probably this one is the most important of all of the fixes because it really goes a long way just to go with the flow. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.